Hey guys and gals, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a quicker uncut version of the how to hack website usernames and passwords today, because the last one was about 30 minutes long, way too freaking long, due to some issues with administrator permissions. So we're going to go ahead and make it quicker here. Go into your wireless tags, and then here go into Fern Wi-Fi Cracker. And we'll just wait for that to load here. And go into your toolbox. From here, we're going to be using Ray Fusion. So click on Ray Fusion. Then here you type in the name of the website your target is on. Let's say facebook.com for an example. And then right here it's set up as a default word list. If you click start, it's going to try to use the default usernames and passwords to try to crack the accounts associated with those. Now keep in mind that Facebook has an automatic lockout after 3 attempts. So after 3 password tries, it's not going to work. Just keep that in mind when you have a target that's on a website that has automatic lockout after a certain amount of attempts. You want to keep it that amount of passwords tried, because it's not going to do all the other ones. Oh, and you have to make sure to put in HTTPS. You have to put that before so it will work, otherwise it's going to give you an error message. So right here you can see it trying the different usernames and passwords with the default word list. I'm going to stop it right there. And if you want to use custom word lists, so you want to import your own, you could do that from this tab, custom word list, and then import username word list or password word list. So if you want to create your own, you would go into your terminal, open up a new terminal window, and then to create a new text file in Kali Linux, you type in here, we're gonna give it super user permission first, so sudo and then tush, and we're just gonna do, like, let's say passwords.txt. Okay, so ls to list all the items. There you have passwords.txt, nano passwords.txt to go into the document. And from here you can start editing it, so whatever you want to do as the passwords, put whatever you want to try as a password. And then Control X and Y and enter. Control X, Y, enter. Oh, hold on. It's telling me permission denied. So I'm going to do no real quick, because to be able to do this you need super user permissions apparently. So do sudo and then nano and then passwords.txt. And we'll try that again. So just put in whatever passwords you want to try. This is going to write it into the text document. Control X, Y, enter, and that saved it. So ls, it's right there. Now we want to move it into a directory we can access from here. So if we go into import password word list, you can see our directories that we have available. Now it's not letting me access desktop for some weird reason. So I'm going to be putting it into this directory instead, user share from Wi-Fi cracker. But to get the path, I'm going to go into my home. So go into my home folder right here. And this is the path, but it won't let me copy from here. So I'm going to go and copy it from home. Alright, user, let's see, where's it at? File system. Go into file system, and then user, share, and it should be Fern Wi-Fi cracker right here. Somewhere around here. There it is. Fern Wi-Fi cracker. Double click on that. Now we have the directory path. Control C to copy it. And then close this off. Import, actually, right here, sudo mv to move it. Then passwords.txt. And then the directory path afterwards. So control paste. Oh, it's not letting me control paste, so I'm going to right click, paste clipboard. There it is. And hit enter. And now we should be able to see it in our Fern Wi-Fi cracker folder here. So go back into import passwords, go into Fern Wi-Fi cracker, and there's your text document that you just created. Open. And then same process for usernames. You could do like same command to create the document. So let's say sudo tush and user names.txt, enter, ls to list it, nano to go into the usernames.txt, and let's say Barry, blah blah blah, whatever, June, blah 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 blah, just anything, whatever the username is. Now it's not going to let me save it because I forgot to do sudo, so let's do that again with sudo in the front. Sudo nano usernames.txt, Barry, blah 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 blah, whatever the username is that you want to try out. Then Control X to exit, Y to save the modified buffer, and hit enter. And then we could just use our arrow keys to go back to the previous command that we typed in. Change the passwords.txt to usernames.txt, enter. That put it into our Fern Wi-Fi cracker directory. There it is. Open. And then you can start, and it's going to go through the list that you have imported. Alright, that's all for today. Well, actually, I'm going to be making another 2 videos today, so catch you later.